Good morning, children. This is Aruna Rajaputra with today's social studies topic, Our Earth in the Solar System for Class 6 State Syllabus. Children, in this lesson, we will learn about the celestial bodies, components of the solar system, and what are stars, planets, and satellites, and how the Earth is a unique celestial body, children. And what are celestial bodies? Sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, and meteoroids, comets form the celestial body, children. And once again, celestial bodies are any natural bodies outside the Earth's atmosphere. Easy examples are Moon, Sun, and the other planets of the solar system. Some celestial bodies are very big and made up of gases. They have their own light and heat. These are called stars. The sun is a star. Some celestial bodies do not have their heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Those are planets. Planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. Children. Earth on which we live is a planet. It gets its heat and light from the sun. The moon we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our Earth and moves around it. Coming to the next topic, constellation. Various patterns formed by different groups of stars in the sky are called constellations. They were named after the different animals, objects, and the creatures depending upon the shape. Some constellations: Ursa Major, the Great Bear shape; Scorpius, scorpion shape; Orion, hunter shape; Leo, lion shape. In the ancient times, people used to determine the direction with the help of the stars. In northern hemisphere, it is determined by the North Star, which is also called the pole star, which remains in the same position. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarishi constellation. Next, the term sun. The sun is a very big ball of hot gases. Here you can see. Next, planet. A planet is a large heavenly body that revolves around a star. Here you can see Earth. Satellites. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Next, coming to the moon. The Earth has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is 1/4 of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. Next, man-made satellite. It is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe and the Earth for communication. It is carried by the rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth and other solar bodies. Asteroids. Apart from the planets, the satellites, apart from the planets and satellites, there are a number of small rocky objects which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. Next, meteoroids. The small pieces of rocky or metallic bodies which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Coming to the comets, children. A comet is a celestial object made up of head and a tail. The head of the comet consists of solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases. Here, next is galaxy. We can see a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. It is a cluster of millions of stars. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Our solar system is a part of this Milky Way or a galaxy. Ancient Indians imagined it to be a river of light flowing in the sky and named it as Akash Ganga. Universe. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. The scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. The topic of the lesson, let us learn about the Earth in the solar system. Here you can see the solar system. Our solar system consists of sun and the 8 planets. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. Coming to the sun, it is a hot ball of gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The 8 planets revolve around the sun. These 8 planets revolve around the sun. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The surface temperature of the sun is around 6000 degrees Celsius. Here is a solar system, you can see, and Mercury is the nearest and the smallest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth, children. There are 8 planets in the solar system. According to the distance from the sun, the order of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They move in the fixed path called orbit. The 4 planets near to the sun are called inner planets. These are the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are comparatively smaller in size and are composed of rocks. The last 4 planets are called the outer planets. Those are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are large and made up of the gases and liquids, children. Coming to the topic, Earth. Earth is our home planet and the 3rd nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is the 5th largest planet. It's slightly flattened at the poles and bulges in the middle. That is why it bulges in the middle. That is why the shape is described as goid. Goid means an earth-like shape. From the outer space, the earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered with water. It is therefore a blue planet. The layer of the air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, and the earth is the most suitable planet to support the life because there water, air exist. It has 4 major components or reams. The 4 major components or the reams are lithosphere, land, hydrosphere, water, atmosphere, air, biosphere, living part of the earth where plants and animals both will live. Here once again, lithosphere. The land on which we live is called the lithosphere. It is a solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soils. Next is hydrosphere. It consists of water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps on the mountains, tanks, etc. Next, atmosphere. It is a layer of air that surrounds the earth. Different types of gases make up the atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%, and the other remaining gases are also present. Next, coming to the biosphere. All living things existing on the land, in water and in the air together called as biosphere. This is about our earth in the solar system, children. Hope you understood the topics. And the task for this video is, how can you say that our earth is a unique planet in the solar system? Thank you all, children. Have a nice day.